Why does your scanner show the P0494 engine code? What does it mean? P0494 is a diagnostic trouble code for fan speed low. This error code indicates it means your vehicle's PCM has detected that your primary engine cooling fan, Fan 1, is rotating at least 10% slower than the manufacturer commanded speed. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Bad cooling fan relay, faulty cooling fan motor, faulty fan control module, wiring issues, low system voltage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.